Okay, real simple when you're rigging these things up. Remember that this is a sharp edge, and if you connect up your McMahon snap to this, it'll cut through. You've got to use the hard stainless steel ring. You're going to squeeze. You're going to squeeze the McMahon snap and then slip it on, and then over the top. To remove it, you're going to spread the McMahon snap and then come back. But we're going to put this sucker on, and then we're going to slide the wire down, and then we're going to slide this back, and then here's your 400-pound wire harness. Going to slide this down over the top, and then hopefully this will swim straight. Okay, that's it.